I don't get it. I read in the papers where the West is building up, but all I ever see is empty towns. This being fastest gun in the West is a lonesome life. Only ones that'll speak to me are the lawmen. Oh, Sheriff, are you here? I'll find Teeny Terwilliger and make him talk. Shuckins, I'll get so lonesome I'd talk to anybody. You know, I just can't figure out that jingling noise. I'm not even wearing spurs. You want to be nicely even brown all over? Talk, but they have their own way of expressing their feelings. Lion has a toothache, huh? Sounds like an impacted wisdom tooth. I'll be right over.
Except that I was taking a nap in the dryer when this lady opened it for her laundry. You should have heard the scream when she saw me. Gee, baby, you and I could make beautiful music together.
Oh.
Let me take you away from all this madness. Come on, why fight it? Slip me a kiss. Oh, boy, she's weakening. Last time she hit me with her fist. Headed him off at the tunnel. Yeah, you can't do that. You said free lemonade. Baby doll, what could ever make me leave you? Top Cat, that's what. Good idea, TC. But where are you going to get an ocean?
I'm on my way at last. Father who loves me better than anything, to Mars, Dad. Right, Dad. And farewell to you, Earth Father. Yes, dear old Dad. It won't hurt a bit.
Joe!
Keep your wig warm, Dad. I'll be back. Double sarsaparilla soda, Mr. Quick Draw. And firewood for the fireplace.
It won't...
I'm going as the longest dachshund in the world. Going duck hunting, Mr. Quick Draw. Right. Come on, Daddy Ball.
Come in,
It never misses, Quick Draw. Watch. Yes, dear old incarcerated Dad, but he wouldn't believe it. So, I brought you a lawyer.
Todo esto es demasiado conmovedor. Quítelo usted, Boswell. Ya no lo soporto más. ¿Cómo es posible que yo jamás haya hecho algo digno como ese gran potentado? ¿Por qué nunca he donado $1 millón? Pero si... Sin duda alguna todavía quedan gente pobre. Una excelente idea, Boswell. ¡Excelente! Donaré con gusto $1 millón al más necesitado mortal en la ciudad. Es realmente para desanimarse. Todo mundo está tan próspero. Oh, si volviesen otra vez aquellos días de la depresión. Aquí me tienen con $1 millón para regalarlos. No puedo encontrar una persona lo bastante pobre. Ah, y hay uno. Ese es mi hombre. Detenga el auto, Jueglen. Oye, tú, harapiento, quiero hablar unas palabras contigo. Yo no quiero la moneda de esa afortunada criatura. Tú guárdatela. Una rifa. Estás muy necesitado, ¿no es así? ¿Don Gato? ¿Quién es Don Gato? ¿Quieres decir que son varios? El callejón. Oh, pobres criaturas desafortunadas. Esto les servirá. Aquí hay un cheque por $1 millón, expedido a favor de Don Gato. Toma y llévaselo a él. No hay de qué. Muy bien, Quigley. Vámonos para casa.
Oh, I have many. I have one with the head of a bird. I have several Irish blackthorns, and I've many carved and decorated canes that people have sent me, and I've gotten as gifts. So I have quite a collection. I love them. I collect owls and eagles. I don't really know. I never count them, but. I think it's going to be pretty good. We're doing 11 instead of 8 this year. And just a lawyer and a doctor, yeah. Yes, I think it would have been nice to have had Hal with the group and the senator because I enjoyed the show. And I was, on 4th of July, I was in Bend, Oregon. We had 17,000 people seated on the side of the river. There, sitting on the grass, and we had a big time up there and really celebrated the 4th of July.
Good night. Aloha, Hawaii! Aloha, Hawaii! A new Oklahoma, Omaha, a fond embrace, your funny face, until we meet again. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. I mean Oahu, Molokai, Maui, and... See you when I get back from my vacation, Officer.